Hello. Okay, welcome to September 2018. So I like to give you a preview almost every month of what I am putting into my doTERRA monthly ordering system and getting shipped to my home. So it switches each and every month, and that's the beauty of the program. If you opt into Loyalty Rewards, or LRP for short, is that you have complete control over it, the amounts you order, the items you order, your ship date, and all that goodness. So I love sharing with you the holistic tools that I use in my health and my home to, keep us healthy and going strong. And like I said, it changes each month, but there are some consistent things that you will notice that I do get on the regular, but I just like to show you, for instance, what I got this month that maybe I've been using for the past few months and now I'm out of. So just to kind of give you an idea of what lasts for the amount of time it does and all that jazz. And now I'm just rambling, so I'm just going to get right into it. So I mention this each and every month, but I always get the supplements. So I am vegan, so I always opt into the vegan supplements. As you can see there, it is 3 different supplements in this package. One is the Alpha CRS Plus, which is basically like your great energy source of all the goodness. So this is what's going to give you the energy from the supplement pack. So the doTERRA supplements, Lifelong Vitality, are doTERRA's top selling product. So if you don't feel more vitality or energy and all the goodness in your body, then you will get your money back. So how awesome is that? And like right then and there, it just shows you how much trust they put into this product. And I am sold. I was sold from day one, and it really does do what it says it's going to do. So, like I said, the Alpha CRS Plus in the middle is your beautiful energy source. It's going to help with your cells, help healthy cells, and all that goodness. The next one is Microplex VMZ. So this is going to be like your multivitamin. So this is where the vegan version is a little bit different than the non-vegan version. There's just a little bit different vitamin sources in there, just plant-based versus animal-based. But again, it still is functioning the same. So what I like to think is, even though I personally eat a clean plant-based diet, there are still some things lacking in my diet because of things like soil depletion over the years. All the nutrients and the minerals and all the good stuff in the soil has been depleted over the years. So even if you are eating an amazing diet, and I mean, we all have slip-ups and we all enjoy pizza and ice cream from time to time anyways, it's just extra insurance to make sure that my body is getting what it needs. So I always make sure that I have the multi with it as well. And then the last one is omega. So obviously mine is an algae plant-based source. The regular is from fish oils. But you take those together and you will feel so amazing in your body. So this is what I take each and every month, and I always add it to my order. I had someone ask me actually about the sizes of the capsules. I'm not going to take them out because I forgot my other ones downstairs, but if you can kind of see through the screen, they're a standard size pill. So let me just, I think I half opened this one. And this is pretty much for the both of them. So these pills are just like your average size. I personally have issues swallowing pills. So if I can do it, you can totally do it too. So here is what a pill size looks like. So there you go. So that is the standard size. And this one is basically the same, except it's just in a different color. So it has a different color. So if you ever dropped the supplements, you would totally be able to tell them apart by color. And then the fish one is red like this. So as you can see, that's what they look like. So that's to help out those wondering about the size of the supplements and swallowing. I just take 2 at a time, and you take them in four pills a day. And so I like to break it down into 2, 2, and 2 with one meal, and then 2, 2, and 2 with another meal. Okay, so that is first and foremost what I always have in my LRP order. And then because of that, when you order the supplements, you also get to tag on 3 additional items at a reduced cost. So I sometimes do this and I sometimes don't, but I did take advantage of it with 1 extra item this month, and that's called PB Assist. So this is doTERRA's beautiful probiotic, and I love it. It's great for gut health. It has pre and probiotics, so it's going to help fuel the healthy bacteria to get to where it needs to in the gut and really help keep it and flourish it. So this is one that I do add every month just because I take one of these each and every day. And then there's the lovely kiddo version. So PB Assist, and there's no harm in parents taking this either. So if swallowing this many pills, because you're taking 12 supplements a day is too much and you don't want to add on another one, this is another great way to get your probiotics in, but it's like a pixie stick form. So I love this, and I love kind of altering between these even as a parent because there are different strains of bacteria. So it's not a bad idea to mix them up. So I will take these sometimes with my daughter, and it's great because you can totally trick them into thinking that they're getting a treat, this little pixie stick, when they're actually getting good gut bacteria. So I love that about it. Another thing that I do order fairly regularly each month is the toothpaste. So this is doTERRA's On Guard toothpaste. So it has the essential oil in it, On Guard, which is the protective blend, and it has beautiful oils in it that are, again, going to protect your body, but it's going to help with your teeth as well. So it has clove in there, which clove is amazing to support healthy gums and teeth. So just in that instance alone, you can see how adding the On Guard essential oil to a toothpaste is really beneficial for your oral health. And we probably go through about a tube a month because my husband, I, and my daughter all use this toothpaste. So I generally get this every month. And as you can see, I ordered it this month. Next up, we'll go another On Guard product because I love it. So this is On Guard's new hand sanitizer. So they released it a year ago. It's a sanitizing mist. I actually keep one in my daughter's lunch bag so that she can spritz it on her hands and not use the nasty antibacterial hand sanitizers at school. Because if you are using nature to support your body and your health, it's actually just as effective, if not better for your body, right? Because you're not using something that's going to deplete you of the good stuff. It's just helping eliminate the bad stuff. So this is very effective. It kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. And again, it comes from the On Guard essential oil. So you are getting the benefits of that oil too. So that's next. Sorry, I have a bunch of text messages coming in. I forgot to turn off my notifications. The facial cleanser. So I recently have switched from the Virage skincare line to doTERRA's essential skincare line. So they have two skincare lines. And sorry, it's getting washed out. And I have just been loving the essential skincare line a little bit better. Virage, we had a great run, but this one has just really spoken to me lately. So I love this cleanser. I actually keep it in my shower. So at the end of the day, when I have a shower and I wash off my face, then I use this, and it's great because it's melaleuca or tea tree, if you want to call it that instead, and peppermint. And it's nice because it's a little bit cool, but it's not too cool and tingly. It feels great for rinsing off your skin, especially after a long day, and it smells fabulous. So I love this facial cleanser, and I was almost out of it. So I added that to my order. And then finally, peppermint beadlets. So these are little beads. So when you have a bottle of peppermint and you put a drop, or you take a drop out of the bottle, the beadlets contain about 1/4 of a drop of peppermint essential oil. So why I love these. I love popping them in my mouth before a workout. Peppermint has really been known to cool the body. So it is very cooling, and it can help regulate your body temperature a little bit better. So if you are getting into a hard workout, it's not a bad idea to pop one of these in your mouth. And something about minty fresh breath before I run or before I do a workout really appeals to me. So you're going to get the benefits of that as well. Or if even if you're not using them for a workout, they were great as breath mints. So if you ate too much garlic or onions at lunchtime, I would totally be popping these after lunch, and just to really feel invigorated too, because peppermint hits you really quickly, and it might even make you say woo. So I love that about them, and they're just really addicting. So I added those to my order because we were out. And then I said that was the last product, but I actually did get an oil, but only because doTERRA, through their Loyalty Rewards program, gives you a free oil each and every month when you place a certain amount. So if you place 125 PV, which is doTERRA's point system, you get the free oil of the month if your order is placed by the 15th of the month. So this is a great way. What I like to tell people, especially if they're new to using oils, is that it's a great way to build out your oil collection. So if you know you're going to be spending over 100 or over 125 each month. And again, it doesn't have to just be on oils. It can be on supplements, toothpaste, skincare products, shampoo and conditioners, things that you would be buying outside of doTERRA anyways. Now you can just redirect your spending to here. And then if you know you're going to get your order to 125, then doTERRA is going to gift you the free oil of the month. So this month it happens to be lime. Lime is a great oil for diffusing as well. I love having it in the diffuser. Citrus oils are very great for uplifting and, happy feelings. Plus, they are great cleansers. So if you want to use it in your green cleaning or adding a drop of it to your drinking water. So there are great uses to using this essential oil, and there is nothing wrong with getting an oil for free. So I love that about doTERRA's program, and that's why I left that for last. So if you have any questions about my health haul here, please let me know. Pop them in the comments below, or feel free to send me an email, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. And hopefully you enjoyed this little segment of what's in my health haul this month, and I will see you back next month. Bye!